It's important to note that the following content should not be construed as financial advice. Making financial decisions involve risks, and it's crucial to consult with a qualified financial professional or advisor before making any significant financial choices. They can consider your individual circumstances, goals, and the risk tolerance to provide personalized advice. Always conduct thorough research, exercise critical judgment, and consider seeking professional guidance before making financial decisions. Remember that you are solely responsible for any action you take based on information provided. Hello, all, and welcome to Neil's World, where I am documenting and sharing my journey to financial freedom. Now, today, I'm going to talk about a few topics of interest that I have used these headings to help me on my journey, and hopefully, it will inspire you to go and do your own research and put some of these to practice if you haven't already done so. If you look into the current climate, you'll realize that, now more than ever is critical for us to all take time out to plan our life and to make sure that as we go forward, everything we do is intentional. So we can not just secure a future, a better future for ourselves, but also for our generation to come. Well, so let's get to the first one. The first one is distraction. So distraction can be a major roadblock in your path of financial freedom, as it impacts also your mental health. So financial focus within the distraction aspect is key to achieving financial freedom, as it requires you to sustain focus and discipline, as distraction like impulsive spending and excessive consumption or indulging in short-term pleasures can derail your progress. And it's crucial to stay committed to your financial goals and avoid unnecessary expenses which can hinder your long-term goals or long-term plan. Also, time management, which is within distraction as well. Time management, distraction can steal valuable time that could be invested in enhancing your financial situation. Time wasted on unproductive activities or excessive screen time or mindless entertainment can prevent you from acquiring new skills or building financial knowledge or exploring potential income streams. Also, your mental well-being is crucial within your financial freedom journey, as it's not just about money. It involves maintaining a healthy mindset. Constant distraction can lead to increased stress, anxiety, or feeling of overwhelmness. Focusing on short-term distractions rather than long-term financial plan that you have for yourself initially can negatively impact your mental health. So seeing people doing better than you are, or asking you to do stuff that you can't take part in, going on holiday 3 times a year, twice a year, you may not be able to do that. You feel like you're not doing well enough. But by creating yourself a safe space and understanding where you are and where you're going, these cycles, if you create these cycles, negative cycles within your plan, it can derail you or degrade or hinder your progress. Also, opportunity costs. Every distraction carries an opportunity cost. For example, engaging in activities that divert your attention from financial growth may prevent you from exploring lucrative investments as well. And self-discipline, I love this one, and accountability. Distraction often arises from a lack of self-discipline and accountability. It is crucial to establish routines, set clear boundaries, and create an environment conducive to your financial goals. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals or joining communities focused on financial well-being can help you stay motivated and accountable. And I've always mentioned this going forward in my plans, in my life and in my family, to keep me and my family on track going forward. No matter what's going on or what we may see may be classed as being good, we ensure that whatever we do, it's not hindering our progress or stopping us. And yes, life happens, but we have a plan for that, which is known as our emergency pot. So these are some of the things I also put in place to ensure that I'm not hindered and to keep me on track. So I set clear goals, because by defining my financial objectives and break them down into manageable steps, I and my family have a clear vision of what needs to happen so we can stay focused and motivated. We also prioritize and eliminate distractions by identifying distractions that frequently derail our progress and actively work on minimizing or eliminating them completely. This could involve limiting screen time, reducing unnecessary expenses, or creating a designated workspace free of any distraction, which is everyone needs to do that. You need a safe space, clear mind, clear head space. Also, structure, establish a routine that incorporates time for financial education, goal tracking, and personal development. Structured habits will help you stay on track and make a steady progress. And this is what we do in our household, and maybe this can also help you. I'm not saying that we're perfect, but we've learned over the years from our mistakes and what we could have done better, and we're doing those now. And I'm sharing our secrets with you, and hopefully you can implement, and also this can help you on your journey going forward. We also create mindfulness space, cultivating a mindful, become more aware of distractions within our present moment. And by recognizing these distractions, you can redirect your attention and consciously choose actions that align you with your financial and mental well-being goals. Also, seek support. I've always said to you, go speak to your financial advisor, speak to your bank, speak to a professional that can help you on your journey. You may need to speak to someone who can help you, like a counselor who can help you to just understand where you are and what's causing you to be the way you are. Understand your psychologist. To speak to a psychologist and get yourself on the right path. Understand your surroundings. And this can help you a lot more than you think. Just remember, staying focused on your financial freedom journey while nurturing your mental health requires you to be very disciplined, be intentional in what you do, and always do things proactive and manage all your distractions accordingly. And don't think because you've been distracted doesn't mean that you are not making progress. You're still on path because you're recognizing where you're going wrong. The second thing I want to talk about is determination. This entails financial freedom goal setting, because determination plays a crucial role in achieving both financial freedom as well as your happiness. So determination helps you set clear financial goals and work towards them with unwavering focus. It enables you to envision a future of where you are free from financial constraints and motivates you to take consistent actions to attain freedom. So it's a journey, as I said before. My journey always continues. And you should understand that it's not just you doing day in, day out perfectly, because life isn't like that. There's no algorithm for perfect life, is there? So you have to plan and execute accordingly. When things go wrong, there are setbacks, but it doesn't mean it's not progress. Every distraction, every hindrance you face is a lesson learned, and it makes you stronger. Also, persistence is the next one I'll talk about, not the next one, but within determination box, we're talking about persistence, because a journey towards financial freedom often involves facing challenges, like I've been saying to you, setbacks, obstacles, and being determined provides you with the resilience needed to pursue or be persistent through all the difficulties. And you learn from every single failure and keep moving forward. This helps you to bounce back from all the setbacks that you may come across and just stay committed to your long-term objectives. Also, as I mentioned previously, again, discipline always comes back into the equation because it's a major factor. Financial freedom requires you to be disciplined. So you have to create disciplined habits, such as budgeting. You have to save and also invest. And when I say invest, it's not just financial investment, it's invested in yourself, your mental well-being, because you need to be happy while on this journey. Like I said to you, being financially savvy, being more literate, financially literate, doesn't mean that you're going to be sad and boring and not being happy. You have to be happy, healthy, because life goes on in all you're doing. Happiness is a major part of determination, because the pursuit of your passion, determination drives you to pursue that passion and interest, which can significantly contribute to your happiness. Whether it's starting a side hustle or business, or pursuing a creative endeavor, or you are embarking on a fulfilling career, determination helps you to overcome all challenges and persevere, and leads you to a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. Personal growth Determination fuels personal growth by pushing you outside your comfort zone and encourage you to continue to learn and develop as you strive for self-improvement and achieve every milestone that you set out to achieve throughout the year. To cultivate the determination for financial freedom and happiness, you have to clarify your goals, like I do, and having clearly defined goals, financial freedom, and what happiness means to you can establish a specific, can have them measurable, achievable, and relevant, and also time-bound. So you can use these together and it will give you SMART. So it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And if you use these every time you set your goals, they'll help you to have a clear direction as to how you're going to do this and a time frame for that as well. Yeah, and you need to remember this to maintain focus and stay true to your goals and regularly remind yourself the reason why these matter to you, why you started this journey in the first place, and where you need to be. You need to cultivate the resilience also. Cultivate resilience by embracing failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth. You can learn from each setback, as I've mentioned before, and you set your strategies and keep moving forward no matter what. And let's continue to develop a positive mindset and embrace challenges as stepping stone towards success. And again, if you think you're faltering or you're being challenged a bit too much, feel free to seek professional help, like I've always mentioned. That is crucial. Or collaborate with someone else. Speak to like-minded individuals and embrace your journey. Embrace the journey that you've started and know why you started. And just remember, determination serves as a driving force on this journey. And by nurturing and harnessing your determination, you can overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goals and create a fulfilling and prosperous future. All right, so one more for you I want to mention is the contentment. All right, you might not like this one, but contentment plays a significant role in the pursuit of your financial independence and your early retirement. You know, it's currently the fire season. Everyone's talking about fire, you know, financial independence and retire early. So be mindful of your spending. And by doing so, you're being content with what you have. And this helps you to find satisfaction in your current financial situation and reduce desire for any excessive spending on material possessions by practicing mindful spending and focusing on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. You can allocate your resources effectively and accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Also, gratitude for progress. This allows you to appreciate progress you've made over the path of your financial independence journey. And it enables you to recognize and celebrate small milestones rather than constantly chasing more. If you look at where you started, as I mentioned in my last video updated, and where you are now, you'll realize that you are significantly ahead in where you were and where you're going to be. And if you want to retire early, this is all still possible. All right, that's a bit much. I've given you a lot of content there. I want you to go now and reflect on what I've mentioned. Go and do your due diligence, do your own research. And I thank you all for tuning in to another amazing episode. And also, if you haven't already, if you like the content I'm providing, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And my journey continues. And I want you now to go and take the notes that you've taken and try and see how you can improve your lives going forward. I thank you all, and I'll see you on the next one.